Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Tina Sunshine. Today I will be talking about time management. More or less, I would name it as an attention management because we all have the same 24-hour in the day, and it is excuse to say I don't have enough time. We might feel like I don't have enough time, but since everyone get the same amount of time in a day, and there are some people who get more done than others, and that is the reality of it. So it's not like I don't have the time, it's more that I don't make the time. So I have investigated few tips that's really been effective to manage my time. So I thought I must share these tips with you all. So let's begin. One of the most important thing anybody has to do to get more done out of the day is planning your day. I know planning and routine sounds boring, but planning the day is most of the proven and most of the efficient way of ensuring getting a lot more done. So if you have fixed morning routine, then every time you wake up, you exactly know what all the things you need to do. You can hydrate your body and go for walk or do some exercises. If you are somebody who has fixed morning and night routine, then you are already in right track. But if you are somebody who doesn't have all of this, then you can start writing to-do list. Just get a notebook and a pen and write to-do list of the day. To-do list is one of the most powerful time management tool if used correctly, but I think we have all been guilty of littering our to-do list with somewhat meaningful tasks, and when we feel accomplished when we cross something from the list. And then when we feel accomplished when we cross something off, when in reality we are not getting around to any of the major items on the list. So something that might help is called Rule of Three, a concept introduced by the author J.D. Mayer. First, write 3 things that you want to achieve this week and 3 things that you want to achieve today, and repeat this daily. Ideally, the daily to-do items will help work towards achieving those weekly goals. This simple little rule helps provide structure and helps with working much more efficiently. So sometime I have long list of tasks to finish. In that case, my third tip is to prioritize my tasks that I have to do so that I can satisfy more time that are urgent or more time consuming. I prefer to do it by color coding, highlighting red for the task with higher priority, yellow for medium priority task, and blue for the task that I would do if I have some extra time. You can also use some symbol to show priority. Another tip that helps me to managing my time by giving me more time in the morning is to prepare as much as the night before. As I'm staying at home and working from home, so I used to plan from the night itself. For example, deciding food menu. You can pack your pencil bag or decide your dress if you are going to school. The next important tip that I have is calendar blocking. Calendar blocking is, as the name suggests, is the way of blocking our calendars for all the things that we need to do. For example, for most of our important things in our day, anything we block our calendars, right? We think that at 2 o'clock we have certain tasks to do, so we already have it in our head clearly written at 2 o'clock we have this particular meeting, or 4 o'clock for this appointment, or 6 o'clock for our gym class. Imagine if we actually block our entire day for all the activities we have to do. Calendar blocking is the simple practice which most successful people follow all over the world. What they do is they block every single hour of the day for whatever activity they have to do. It could be simple activity like sleeping, or a simple activity like watching Netflix, or even just taking a break, not knowing exactly what need to do. Schedule all in your calendar. So in the calendar's blocking system, you you will block, let's say 6 to 7 for your wake up, and then 7 to 8 is for your morning routine, and so on. This way you will have the visualization of how you spend 24 hours in a day. Let's say in 24 hours you have spent lot of time by doing nothing, then it will give you an idea and reflection to improve your routine. This is the simple way of knowing where my time is going. The last tip I have in my time management tips is finding some time for scheduling break and rewarding ourselves. Now I know it's important to lot of things done, and it's important to ensure that remain productive throughout the day. But we can only remain productive if we are taking enough breaks. Otherwise we will have burnout, and eventually we don't want to do anything at all. In the end, scheduling break and rewarding is important, because the reason why we are doing is all of these is eventually make us happy. And what's the point of doing any of this if we are not really happy? So yeah, that's it for today's guys. I hope these time management tips are useful, and please try to include some of them in your life to manage your time efficiently. If you find these tips useful, then please give me a like and subscribe to my channel. And till then, bye bye.